Meaning of labor union.
Labor union.
Labor union.
Labor union.
Labor union. A labor union is a type of organization that represents the collective interests of workers in a specific industry or occupation. The primary purpose of a labor union is to negotiate with employers on behalf of its members for better wages, benefits, working conditions, and job security. By joining together in a union, workers have greater bargaining power than they would individually, and can work to ensure that their rights are protected in the workplace. Labor unions have a long history in many countries around the world and continue to play an important role in the lives of workers today.